Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by.
Hi everybody, this is Eric with Window Depot USA. We're out here in Xenia today with our customer Katy. She just purchased a few windows and house is under total remodel because she just bought it. Was this your first house?
Yes.
Yes, so first time home buyer, nice. So Katy, I just got to ask, when you called us and we came out for the sales call, how was the sales call with Alex?
Yeah, Alex was absolutely fantastic. I really appreciated the fact that he was so prompt with all of his questions, even leading up to it. Like, he told me, hey, I'll text you. We can communicate that way if it's easier for you. He answered all of my questions leading up to the consult. He was so fast and prompt with everything I asked him. And honestly, he just made it feel like I was talking to a friend rather than I was talking to a sales representative.
That's awesome, because that's definitely the vibe that we like to put off to everybody. So when the guys came out and did the install, how did the install go for you?
Yeah, so unfortunately I did work that day, so I wasn't able to come out and see it, but my dad was here and he was giving me updates on the entire process, and he was extremely impressed with everyone's professionalism, the speed at which they were doing it, their willingness to answer all of his questions because he wanted to understand more about the process. Everyone was super great, and it happened so much than I'd anticipated.
That's cool, and nobody else better to trust than dad when the construction's going on in the daughter's house. So last question, because it sounds like you're a happy customer, would you refer us to your friends and family?
You say that like I haven't already started doing that. I have already started talking about y'all to everybody who I can even think might need some new windows, and I've been talking about my experience from sun up to sundown.
Nice, we love to hear that. Well, it was a pleasure serving you. We appreciate your business, and peace out, everybody.